Have you ever looked in the mirror and asked yourself, why am I falling behind? That spark of excitement when you think about transforming your body, it's real. But then reality kicks in. You're busy, life is chaotic, and that excitement fades into frustration. What if today was your last chance to change? If you keep waiting for the perfect time, you might wake up one day and realize it never came. This is your wake-up call. It's time to stop making excuses and take back control. We've all heard the lie. You need hours in the gym. You can't possibly stay fit with your schedule. Fitness is a luxury only those with time can afford. But that's complete nonsense. You're not stuck because you're busy. You're stuck because you haven't been told the truth. The truth is, you don't need hours of your day to stay fit. You don't need to sacrifice your grades, your social life, or your sleep. What you need is a plan. A simple, effective plan to build consistency, no matter how chaotic your life seems. Consistency beats perfection every time. It's not about finding time. It's about making time, even if it's just 20 minutes. A focused, intense 20-minute workout can do more for you than an hour of half-hearted effort. So stop thinking you don't have time. You do. I've been there, juggling classes, exams, part-time jobs, and trying to stay fit. I learned the hard way. You don't need more hours. You need to make the most of the ones you already have. Here's how you can stay consistent with your workouts as a busy student. Start with 15 to 20-minute high-intensity interval training, or high T. You don't need equipment, just your body. These short bursts of effort push your body to the limit and fit perfectly into a busy schedule. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Sunday night, sit down, look at your week, and schedule your workouts. Treat them like non-negotiable meetings with yourself. Even if it's just 3 days a week, that's all you need to build momentum. Consistency isn't about willpower, it's about habit. Start small. Start with 5 minutes if that's all you can manage. The key is not to skip. Every time you follow through, even for a short session, you're wiring your brain to prioritize fitness. Don't think of fitness as something you have to do. Think of it as part of who you are. Walk or cycle to class. Take the stairs. Do some bodyweight exercises during study breaks. Fitness isn't limited to the gym. Let me tell you about a student who thought he'd never find time to work out. Between studying late nights and part-time jobs, he convinced himself fitness could wait until later, until he tried something different. He started with just 10 minutes a day. Soon, that 10 minutes became 20, then 30. His energy soared, his stress levels dropped, and his grades? They didn't suffer, they improved. All because he decided to act instead of waiting for the perfect time. That student could be you. All it takes is one decision. Here's the truth. Time is running out, not just in your day, but in your life. You can't afford to keep waiting for tomorrow. Your body, your future, your dreams, they don't wait. They demand action today. So start now, not later, not tomorrow. Get up and do something. Even if it's just 5 minutes, it's better than nothing. Build the habit today, and tomorrow you'll be closer to your goal. Start today. Subscribe to Fit&Unseen for more. Join a community of people who refuse to let busy schedules define them. Together, we'll break past the excuses and transform not just our bodies, but our lives.